If you want to change language of your Redmi Watch 5, you can for sure do this, but only by changing the language of your phone. There's actually no way to change language only by using your watch. So to do this, you will have to open settings on your phone. I've got everything in Polish, but just let me navigate. You will have to just scroll into your phone almost all the way down, and you have to search for something about, system settings, where you will be able to find a language. So that's how it actually looks in my case. Here I have the language and the region, and when I'm gonna go into system language, I will have to select English, then I have to click and hold, and basically drag English at the first place to get this language as default of my phone. And if you don't have your English right here, you can click to add language and then select in this place, from this place. And here you should actually get your language. So let's find out. Yes, as you can see right now, I've got English on my watch, but previously it was in the Polish. So that's how we can actually do this.